Today I will show you how can you deploy your node.js application in Heroku. So let's get started. So first of all I will show you one of my project. So this is the project which I will deploy in Heroku. So I will show you the whole process. First of all, you can see this is a very simple project. I used Express.js and create an app, and this is a basic API route, and this is where I am listening in port. So to deploy it in Heroku, first of all you need to have an account in Heroku. So first let's go into this site heroku.com. So in this site what you can do, you can sign up for free. I already have some account, so I will use. So once you sign up you can log in. So I am login using my account. As you can see, my login is successful and I am redirecting to the dashboard of Heroku. So as you can see here, this is my dashboard. So there is two ways to deploy your application in Heroku. I will show you the Heroku CLI way, and in next video I will show you how can you directly link your GitHub repository to the Heroku, so that when you push to your GitHub, it will automatically deploy your changes to the Heroku and it will deploy. For now, just go into this code. So there are few changes which you need to do. First of all, for example, I am using here .env file. So if you are using here .env file, then you need to create this one. And also what you can do, you can create one file. So let me do one thing. Let me drag this one to this folder, because this is the project folder demo app. So here I need to create one file .gitignore, and here you can add /node modules, and here you can add .env. Then you need to go to this file which is package.json. So here you can see script is there. So you can add multiple script over there according to your requirement. But this script which is start, this need to be present here to your so that Heroku can run your app easily. So this line is very important. Another thing which you need to add here, which is engines. So you need to add this in quotation, and here you can add. So after adding this engine you need to add, so as you can see, you need to add the version of node. So for example, in Heroku official documentation this version is recommended, so I am using the same. So after doing this, so we will go to the terminal. So as you can see, I have opened the terminal over here, and now I will run some commands. To install Heroku CLI in MacBook, you need to run this command brew install Heroku /brew/Heroku. When you run this command, your Heroku CLI will be installed. Now I have already run this, so I will not run this again. So now what we need to do is, apart from this installation, all the other steps are same for any operating system. So what you need to do is Heroku login, to log in your Heroku account, and then wait for some time, and then press any key. It will open your browser where you can log in with your credential. So I have already logged in, so that's why it is showing that. So as you can see, I can close now. So right now what I need to do here is I need to create a project in Heroku account to upload this node.js application. To do Heroku create. So right now you can see this is available, and I created this project name. You need to first do this thing, git init. To initialize your repo is git add. To add your file, you can see with git status. So you can see these are the files which need to be uploaded. Git. So for example, I am giving initial files upload to Heroku for deployment. After doing this, you can simply commit it. As you can see, after creating your link using Heroku create command, you need to run this command to set your repository name. As you can see, my node.js project building is running on. I can show you the same thing in this link is deployed to Heroku. Now what you can do, you can simply open app. So after you push this command, which is git push Heroku main, you can see our service is up and running. And now if you want to go into this URL, which is health checkup, you can see this API is working fine and this is fully deployed. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you. Thank you.